Here we have a 2020 FXBB Softail Street Bob in beautiful river rock gray. Harley-Davidson badging on the tank. Does have the Milwaukee-Eight 107 cubic inch engine. Mid controls, gives it a nice nimble feel. We've got an aftermarket Two Brothers Racing exhaust. Nice deep rumble. Have an aftermarket 2-up diamond stitch seat. There is a preload adjustable monoshock under the seat as well. Adjust that preload for 2-up riding or more aggressive stiff riding. Bullet turn signals. Passenger pegs, take someone along for the ride. Center filled gas cap and digital analog gauge on the bars. Gives the tank a nice clean look. And we're looking at only 1,851 miles on the odometer. That digital analog also shows tachometer, odometer, trip, remaining fuel, clock. Nice spoked wheel in the front, chop fender to show it off. LED headlight and bullet turn signals up front. Let's go ahead and hear cold start.